Hi friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. In this video, we will learn about how to resize image while uploading. Actually, there are a number of image resizing packages. Here I will use image intervention packages, that is the intervention image. So you can search in Google and there is an installation process and how to install using Composer and how to use and how to integrate in Laravel, all are there. So basically we will learn about image resizing using the image intervention package. Okay, so first we will use the composer require. So just go to the console. To use image intervention package, we need to write the composer require intervention image. Okay, so package installation successful. Now let's configure this package in your Laravel application. So now go to config and inside the config you have app.php. So inside the provider array we need to add the class here. So how we can add this? So just copy from here intervention image service provider, and after that the class name. Okay, and now we need to set the alias. So just copy from the intervention.io and paste in the alias. So just paste it here. Okay, so package installation and setup is done. So now let's publish the vendor. We need to use the PHP artisan vendor publish provider and whatever we have write it. So just copy here and paste it in our terminal. Okay, so publish is complete. So now let's create a controller. To create a controller we need to use PHP artisan make controller, and suppose my controller name is image resize controller. Okay, just enter this, and if we refresh in our directory we'll get inside the std folder we have the controllers and we'll get the image resize controller. So now just run the application. To run the application we will use php artisan serve. So our server is started. So now we need to create one function and we need to load a view. So in this view we will upload a file. So just go to the image resize controller and create one function, that is public function. Suppose my function name is resize image. Okay, and here I am creating a view, that is a return view. Suppose my view name is also resize hyphen image. Okay, so we need to create the resize image view. So inside the resource and inside the view we'll create the file, that is resize image dot blade dot php. Okay, so add the HTML file element, and here I am adding the title, that is image resize, and inside the body we will create a form, that is from, and I am closing the form, and in the form we will add the method, that is my method is suppose post, and my action we need to create the action URL, and as I am uploading the image, or if you want to upload any files related things, you need to add the enc type, that is multipart from data. Okay, so let's create a field. So just use the csrf token. For Laravel we need to use the csrf token, that will create a hidden field with the token, and just simply I am creating a upload image and I'm taking a field that is input type. So I am going to create the file upload. So my type will be the file, and I'm providing the name. So I'm using the name is also file, and I'm adding the id, that is id is always file. So let's add a submit button. So I'm using the beer to add the submit button in the new line. So just create a button, and the button type is submit. Okay, and closing the button tag, and just add the label of the button. So my button is suppose Resize. Okay, so that's it. So just I need to create a URL to call this Resize image. So we need to go web.php. So first we need to register our controller here. So just copy from previous, and I'm adding my controller name is image Resize controller. Okay, so now create one route, that is route get, suppose my URL is image Resize, and my controller name is image Resize controller colon class, and after that we need to provide our method's name. So here my method's name is Resize image. So this Resize image, that's all. So just go to the image Resize URL. So open the browser and go to the image Resize. Okay, so you can see a upload button here, and there's a submit button that is the label as Resize. So if you click on browse, we can choose a file to upload. So here we will upload the image type file because we will resize this file. Okay, so while we submit the Resize, we need to add the action, that is the form will be submit. So we need to add another function in our controller. So I'm creating another function, that is public function. Suppose my function name is suppose make Resize. Okay, and I'm taking the request here. So just use the request $request, and here my name is the file. So I will get the all request in the request parameter. So I am taking a variable that is image, and inside the request will get in a file. So in the request file we'll get the all image related things. So just add another variable that is file name. I am taking file name in the $image, and after that we need to use get client original name. So inside this file name we will get the original file, and just create another variable. Suppose I am creating another variable that is Resize image, and we need to add the image class here. So we have the alias name that is image. So I will call the image here, and just call the method from image, and just pass the value. So I am passing the image, and I am passing the real path of the image. So we need to use the get real path. Okay, this is also a function, and we need to use the resize image. Suppose I want to resize my image with suppose 100 into 100, so 100 by 100 pics. So just add the inside the resize function, and after that we need to save the image. So I am saving the image, and I need to provide the path to save image. So here I will adding the public path. So it is the public path, and I am uploading my image inside the images folder. Okay, and just add the file name here. So inside the images folder we will store the image with this file name. Okay, and all are set. So just to return one statement, while successful image resize, will get the image resize successfully. Okay, so that's all. And here you can see I am using the image class here, so we need to use the image here. Okay, so here is my project directory, and just go to the public folder and create another folder, that is image folder. So inside the image folder all the images will be uploaded. So now go to the web.php and call this function. So just you go to the route, and here my method is post type, so I am using the post, and suppose my URL also image resize. Okay, so we can use this because the first one is get and second one is post, and just use the controller. So image resize controller, and after that we need to add colon class and then our method name. So here my method name is make resize, so I'm using this make resize. Suppose I'm providing the name of the route, suppose I'm providing the name that is resize image. Okay, resize dot image, and this will be the action for the from. So in the resize image blade, in the action we just need to write, so just use the route and add the action name, so resize dot image. So if we click on the submit button, this action will call, that means this function will call the make resize and it will upload the image. So now go to the browser and just refresh the page and click on the browse. So before uploading a file, let's check. So I'm going to upload the image1.jpg. So let's check the image properties. So here we can see the width is 1200 pixel and height is 540 pixel. So I will just upload this image and we'll check the properties after upload. So just upload the image one. So just image one uploading, and just click on the resize. So I can see the image is successful. So just go to the directory. So in the public images we will get the image. So this is the now currently uploaded, and I'm checking the property. So here I can see the property is width 100 pixel and height is 100 pixel. So the reason for this, I am resizing the image with 100 and 100. So you can see the image resizes and store into your public images path. So here are the images path. So I'm going to add another image, that is image 2. So here I can see the size is 1920 and 1200. So just click on the image resize and browse the another, that is image 2 and resize. So image resize successful, and if we check directories, the new image is uploaded, and if we check the properties we can see the width 100 px and height 100 px. So now we can understand how we can resize image while uploading. So that's all about image resizing. So please comment if you have any queries about this image resizing, and the next day I will going to discuss about the Laravel HTTP client and how we can access external link and all of this. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.